SOCVue Security Monitoring is a hybrid security-as-a-service solution that helps detect cyber threats and meet log management compliance requirements. The service features Cygilant's Security Operations Center, which is staffed 24/7, along with our advanced security operations and analytics platform, and it's all delivered through the SOCVue portal. Let's take a look. The first screen is the Security Monitoring Dashboard, which gives you a high-level overview of your security posture. The dashboard shows you the state of your open incidents and a list of which of your IT assets are affected. You can also open up trend data to see how your status is changing over time. Each graph can be modified by chart type and time range. At the top of the page, you'll find quick links to your open tickets and your open incidents, so you can quickly navigate to items that need your attention. When an alert is triggered by our security analytics platform, the SOC team will start investigating, and an incident will be created here in the SOCVue portal. If the analyst determines that there's further action needed on your part, they're going to open a ticket for you, and you'll receive an email notification. Let's look at a few incident examples. The Incidents tab is where you can view all of your incidents and alerts. Here we have a few examples of actual incidents detected by our SOC team. We've changed the identifiable details for this demo, but these are real threats faced by our customers. The first ticket is a virus or Trojan alert. A number of different malware types fall into this category, including ransomware. I can click into the incident details to see what our team discovered during the initial investigation. On this screen, you'll find info about the cause, potential impact, and the recommended actions. The incident is related to an alert or group of alerts that was triggered by our analytics platform. You can click Alert Drill Down if you want to dig into the event logs that triggered the alert. The next example is potentially a denial of service attempt. If you're familiar with the Verizon Data Breach Investigation Report, you've probably seen that DDoS was one of the most common security incidents last year, and it affected pretty much every industry across the board. Again, the incident details provide a little more context and guidance. The third example here is related to another common security incident, the abuse of user privileges. In this case, we have a permission change that might be routine, or it might be a sign of trouble. All of the alerts associated with our incidents will be included here in the portal. In some cases, a single alert triggered. Other times, a large number of similar alerts will trigger. The SOCVue portal will consolidate them into a single incident so that you don't get bombarded with notifications and tickets. This might happen when a single source tries to repeatedly access the same destination, possibly a scripted, brute force attack. It could also be caused by a single source trying to access multiple destinations in your network, maybe as part of a recon attempt. The alert details will contain the event log message or messages that caused the alert to trigger. The SOC team is going to review the details for you and give you guidance in the ticket, but the logs are here for you to review if you want to dive into the details yourself. The SOCVue portal has integrated threat intelligence that continuously updates a list of known malicious IPs. Each alert is correlated with this data, and the threat icon is added to any IP address that matches our threat intelligence sources. This helps you quickly identify known bad actors who are attempting to communicate with your IT assets. Depending on the size of your network, you could be generating hundreds or even thousands of events per second. The Cygilant SOC team mutes this noise for you by investigating alerts before you get notified. Only when an incident needs your attention will they escalate it to you by creating a ticket. Tickets are managed right here in the SOCVue portal, making it easy for you to track the incident response process with our team. It also provides an audit trail and feeds into our executive reports. Tickets provide two-way communication between you and the security analysts that are working on your case. Anytime a ticket is created or updated, you'll also receive an email notification, and you can reply via email or use the ticketing interface here. And finally, the SOCVue portal is your repository for security and compliance reports. You'll receive a daily security report that summarizes events from the past 24 hours. You'll also receive monthly scorecard reports that provide key metrics and trends at both an operational level and a higher level executive report. The operational scorecard is intended for IT managers and the admins that are handling operations on a day-to-day basis. The metrics on this scorecard give you a summary of how well you and the SOC team are detecting potential threats and responding to them. The performance scorecard, on the other hand, is intended for IT managers who need to report to senior management or a board of directors. This scorecard is focused less on the day-to-day details and more on high-level risk metrics. We also have detailed compliance reports that can be generated on the time schedule that you need. These reports map the event logs that we've collected to the relevant sections of the compliance standard. Thanks for watching a quick demo of the SOCVue portal. If you would like to learn more about the SOCVue Security Monitoring Service or any of our other Security as a Service offerings, please visit our website, www.cygilant.com.